Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Walmart OnePay card could be received with back credit. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're trying to rebuild your credit history and constantly getting slammed with rejections from traditional banks here, well, Walmart's new OnePay credit card is a massive opportunity right now. Now, following their public breakup with Capital One, Walmart teamed up with Synchrony Bank to launch a brand new financial ecosystem. Now, because Walmart is aggressively trying to build a financial marketplace to compete directly with tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and PayPal, they are starving to mass adoption here, which means they are pushing for incredibly lenient approval rates right now. So in this case, we have the two-tier fallback system. So the secret to why this card is so powerful for bad credit is Synchrony's automated fallback safety net here. So when you submit an application, the algorithm reviews you for premium tier first, but automatically downgrades you to store-only options rather than hitting you with an outright denial. Now, we first have the full MasterCard here, which on the scores of 650 plus. Now, this version can be used anywhere. It hands you like 3% cash back on Walmart purchases, which jumps to a massive 5% if you spend enough to justify the $98 annual Walmart Plus membership and a flat 1.5 on all outside spending. Now, also, the OnePay Spin card here scores around below the 600. So if your credit is deeply damaged or your profile is incredibly thin here, this is your target. Now, it is a restricted, so store-only card that doesn't earn rewards, but it gives you a legitimate line of credit. Now, it acts as a perfect training wheel card to report clean, positive payment history to the major bureaus every month. Now, first, you need to understand the 90-day credit limit doubling hack here. So, Synchrony Bank is famous for handing out surprisingly high starting limits compared to rigid traditional issuers here. So, frequently ranging from $1,500 to $5,000 right out of the gate. So, even for borderline credit profiles. Now, in here, Synchrony typically allows you to request credit limit increase roughly every 90 days or every 3 statement cycles here. If you keep your utilization low, buy your regular groceries, and pay the statement off in full before the closing date here, you can systematically request to bump your limit every quarter. Now, rapidly expanding your available credit and naturally driving your utilization down. Now, in this case, the absolute best part here about OnePay card is that you don't have to blindly guess if you'll get rejected. Now, Walmart uses a completely risk-free pre-qualification tool right on the OnePay website. Now, it runs a soft credit pull on your TransUnion or Equifax report to tell you exactly what limit and card tier you qualify for before you ever commit to a hard inquiry. Now, if you are already shopping at Walmart every week, it is a brilliant low barrier tool to get a foot in the door and jumpstart your credit recovery. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.